If you want to learn how to delete a sheet using Excel in n8n, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to set it up inside your workflow so you can remove a sheet cleanly and save time when automating your Excel tasks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple n8n tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your n8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. From there, search for Microsoft Excel and select it. This is the node you'll use to work with your Excel file inside the automation flow. Once the node is added, look for the action option and choose Delete Sheet. This tells n8n that your goal is to remove an existing sheet from the workbook. Now, it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll need to connect the correct Microsoft Excel account if you haven't already, then select the workbook you want to work with. After that, specify the sheet name or sheet identifier you want to delete. Make sure the details are correct, because once the workflow runs, the selected sheet will be removed from the Excel file. If you're using variables or data from earlier nodes, you can map those values into the configuration fields as needed. Double-check everything before running the workflow to avoid deleting the wrong sheet. Once the setup is complete, save your node and test the workflow. If the configuration is correct, n8n will delete the sheet automatically through the Microsoft Excel node. And that's it. You've learned how to delete a sheet using Excel in n8n. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more n8n automation guides.